Hello, it's me. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a golden milk turmeric chai tea recipe. I prefer to use coconut milk or almond milk. Next we need 2 teaspoons of loose leaf black tea, or you can use 1 tea bag. Add the water and the milk in a small saucepan over medium heat. Turmeric is a golden colored spice that comes from the turmeric plant. Ginger is a flowering plant whose roots are often used as a spice or medicine. It has a long history of use in traditional medicine in Asia, and it's best known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Gingerol is the active ingredient in ginger, and it's been studied for its potential health benefits. Some of the benefits include helping with nausea, aiding digestion, reducing muscle soreness, boosting the immune system, and helping with weight loss. It has a long history of use in Ayurvedic medicine, and it's best known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. I hope you enjoy this golden milk turmeric chai tea recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this recipe and how you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you're new here, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, and it's been studied for its potential health benefits. Some of the benefits include supporting brain health, supporting heart health, supporting liver health, supporting joint health, boosting the immune system, and aiding digestion. And the best way to get curcumin into your body is by consuming it in a meal, because it's better absorbed when there is fat and protein in the meal. Once the milk starts to simmer, add the tea and the sweetener of your choice. Stir to combine. Now add the turmeric, the ginger, the cinnamon, and the cardamom. Continue to stir on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Do not let the tea boil. Just simmer on low heat. Once the tea is ready, pour it into your favorite mug. You can use this tea to get all the benefits of turmeric and ginger and the other spices as well. It's a great immune booster. It will help with your digestion, and it will give you a little energy boost as well. For the sweetness, I like to use 20 drops of stevia berry flavored, but you can use any kind that you like, or you can just skip the sweetener altogether. Next we need 1 teaspoon of fresh grated turmeric, or you can use ground turmeric. And then 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, or you can use ground ginger as well. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a pinch of ground cardamom. This is one of my favorite drinks. I love to have it every morning to help with my digestion, to boost my immunity, and for a little energy boost as well. It's so delicious. It's super warming and comforting, and it's also great for your health. Alright, let's begin. First we need 1 cup of water. Next we need 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk that you like. Alright, let's get started. Alright, next I want to share with you some of the amazing benefits of turmeric. Alright, next I want to talk about the amazing benefits of ginger. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video.